So my name is Genvieve Metson, and I'm a PhD student at McGill University under the supervision of Dr. Elena Bennett, and I work on phosphorus sustainability, and I focus on cities and how we can better manage phosphorus in them. So phosphorus is a really important fertilizer in agriculture, and we have a dual problem of having too little because we mine it, and too much sometimes because it can pollute waterways. What I'm interested in is figuring out how we can use urban ecosystems, especially gardens, to better manage phosphorus as a resource, to recycle phosphorus. And the first step in doing that is basically to understand how phosphorus is currently cycling in the city. And we have a lot of different types of urban agriculture in Montreal, and they all tend to manage things a little bit differently. On the West Island, we have kind of big farms, commercial farms. Then we have community gardens, backyard gardens, rooftop gardens, and collective gardens. And so I went around this summer and asked questions to all those different types of gardeners to basically assess what the phosphorus cycling looked like. So the questions that I asked referred to how much fertilizer is being put on, how much stuff is being harvested, and then how we're managing organic waste. And the reason for that is that, as I said, all life forms need phosphorus. It means it gets incorporated into our bodies, it gets incorporated into the plants. And so how we manage that waste, whether it be food waste or green waste or actually human or animal manures, that affects how phosphorus is cycling. Okay, so if you're wondering how can you contribute to more sustainable phosphorus cycling, especially if you have a garden, basically the choices you make about what you eat, how you produce your own food, and how you manage organic waste are what really matter. So when you're gardening, the more compost and locally produced fertilizers, so if you're getting stuff from your local farmer, from your neighbors, and producing basically high nutrient quality compost, the more you're contributing to recycling phosphorus, and that really helps better manage the resource for the city.